In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Figma email template to Klaviyo. If you've designed a stunning email template in Figma and are looking to seamlessly incorporate it into your Klaviyo account, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step to ensure your design is ready to go in Klaviyo in no time. To get started, you'll first need to head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Content drop-down menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal several options, and from these options, you'll want to select Templates. Now that you're in the Template section, you should see an Import button. Go ahead and click on this to begin the process of bringing your Figma design into Klaviyo. This is where you'll specify the details of the template you're importing. In the Import section, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your template. Since we're working with a template from Figma, simply type Figma into the field provided. This will help you keep track of the template once it's imported. Next, you'll need to upload the HTML version of your Figma design. Click on Select File and navigate to the location on your computer where your Figma email template is saved. Make sure you have exported your design as an HTML file from Figma, as this is the format Klaviyo requires for email templates. Once you've located the file, select it to upload. After your file is uploaded, review the details to ensure everything looks correct. Checking the template name and the preview can help confirm that the right file has been selected, which will save you time and hassle later on. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, click Import Template. This will finalize the import process, and your Figma email template will now be available in your Klaviyo account. You can find it under the Templates section, ready for you to customize and use in your email marketing campaigns. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily import your beautifully crafted Figma designs into Klaviyo, allowing you to leverage the power of both platforms for your email marketing needs. Remember, having your email templates ready in Klaviyo means you can quickly create engaging campaigns that captivate your audience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.